Hello my YouTube channel viewers, welcome back once again on this my YouTube channel Lawan A-HERWAGANA. Today my video is not a motion picture because we can't find a real video to show you. That is why we just make a picture to show you on this channel today to make sure you what this picture is all about. If you just to wait us and watch this video till end, you will just to understand the reason why we just bring you this video to you and understand the reason why we just find this picture and just explain you and mention you what all about this picture is. So many times people doing just dangerous work, especially the African peoples, while the European people just think about what work they should do that will not make them to go on dangerous. If you just keep your mind and watch this man very carefully, you will just see that he just wants to kill himself about just a cotton a minute 5. That is very wrong for the life. When he just find the rope and just tied his body, people just hold with the rope. He just didn't never think that the rope will cut it anymore and just fell in that very deep hole. Because this filing machine that he is hold and used to cutting this pipe, it is very strong machine. It is very strong machine that not anyone can hold it and work with it by the time, but he just hold it very strongly and working with it for the cutting of the pipe. Whenever you will just work harder, just think about how the work is all about and what the work can take you all about and how the work is, and just try to think that maybe if you do that work it will kill you or not. Don't always try to do unreasonable life, because if you just die at once you will never come back to your real life. Death is the dead. Death is the dead. I tell you, death is the dead. You will never come back to the world again. Whoever you are, wherever you are live, whether you are European, whether you are Africans, wherever you are, just think about who you are, how many family you have. If you doesn't have a family, just think about your father and mother and just your friend. If you just kill yourself, many people will just think about you and you just kill yourself for nothing, just about work, just about find something to do to get the money. If you think very well, there's many ways for you to get the money, but there is no anyone who will bring you back to the world when you just died. So that is how you can just take a good care for your life, to know what you can do in your life. Just take yourself into trouble. Well people, thank you for watching this video. We just understand what I mean, so and just use what I tell you all about. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my next video. Thank you people. Let's meet on another my video. Thank you.